Hi everyone! So I want to go over how to format your paper. The first thing we're going to do is put our cursor at the top, and we want to make sure that our page is set up the way it's supposed to. So first I want to look at the font. I have my font set to Arial, which is good, and I have it set to 12. Sometimes it defaults to 11. Please make sure that it's set to 12. Next, you're going to put a proper heading at the top of your paper. So I'm using my dog as the example. So I'm putting in his first and last name. I'm going to put in my name, followed by a dash and the hour, my class hour. Okay? Then you're going to put the day, the month, and the year that your paper is due. So first hour, I'm giving you an extra day on your paper. So your paper is going to be due the 18th of November, 2020. Second hour, you also are getting an extra day on your paper. So your paper is going to be due the 20th of November, 2020. Okay, so put your day, month, and year just like you see up on the screen. Next thing you're going to do is hit enter, and you're going to move the cursor to the center of the page. So I look at the top of my screen and I can see the alignment up here. So I can just hit that. That will put it in the center. And I'm just going to put title here as a holding spot because I'm not sure what I'm going to name my paper yet. If you already have a title chosen, great, type it in. If not, just put title for right now. Now, some people have had a difficult time finding the icons for centering. If you go up to Format and you go to Align and Indent, you can also see the alignment here. Okay, so that's another place to find it. So after I put title in, I'm going to hit enter once, and I'm going to move my cursor back to the left alignment. And then this is where I start typing my essay. The other thing I want to make sure to include is a page number. So I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm going to go down to Page Numbers, and I'm choosing the very top left choice. So it puts the number 1 right there for me. Now I want to move this cursor to the left of the number, and I'm going to type in my last name and do a space. So this makes sure, once I close it, you can see that once I go down to the next page, this automatically puts the next page number on the second page along with my last name. Now, if you delete the page number and put it in yourself, that will kind of null and void what the computer will already do. So please make sure that you're just going to the left of the number, you're clicking to the left, and you're just typing in your last name. That's all you have to do. Okay? If you have questions, let me know. Good luck.